izi ni ncamake nagutinda dukomeza Cypher dukomereza aho twari turi. Wibutsa iyi filmu yisanga kuri agasobanuye films.com. Ni website ubu filime ziri gusohokeraho ndetse na buri munsi kuri BTN. Bimeze bite?
Recently closed all of her bank accounts and
ibi byo twagiye tubibona
last week.
Scarlett umwe wapfuye bavuze ati konte ye ukwezi gushize icyumweru gishize mbere ukapfa yarebanje gufungwa. Faya umusaza twabonye bavuga ngo bari hafi bagira icyo bakora. Bariko bajya gutabara Scarlett. Byabaye mwabibonye.
I've just been feeling kind of lost.
Numvaga icyo kimeze nkaho nayobye. Wa mugore we ndetse Scott nako Kati niko yapfuye. Bimeze bite?
Never leave me alone.
Uyu yafashe telefone ya Kati wa mugambanya hisha munsi y'intebe.
Daddy.
Papa ndagukunda. Akana byabaye ngombwa kakiyereka ko agihari.
What's going on?
Ese nibikibi cyambere. Sasa uyu nguyu yari gukuramo kode agenda areba neza umuntu undi bazakurikiza kwica. Yabonye izina rya risozi zakurikira mu bazapfa. Nyagasani umuntu ugiye gukurikizwa kwicwa niwe. Tugare kuba agent ba FBI babiri.
How about we lighten the mood a little?
Man, ko mbona gutameze neza.
What do you say?
Urabivuga yeki?
We put this case behind us.
Ikirego reka tukishyira inyuma yacu.
Go and grab a beer.
Tujye kunywa dunia yote. Oya mfite sheri.
I mean, I have plans.
Mfite umupango nako.
Well, is it plans or
umupango?
Date?
Cyafite umuntu mugiye gusohokana w'umuhungu. Bagiye gutereta. Nyine niko nabyita. Umukobwa kumba afite agahungu bagiye gusohokana kagasheri. Ni Liz? Kibazo ki?
Nothing.
Ntacyo.
It's just with everything we've been going through.
Gusa nyuma y'ibintu byose twanyuzemo.
Surprising you had time to meet someone.
Biratangaje ko ufite igihe cyo guhura n'umuntu.
Wait.
Twahuriye ku mbuga.
You're telling me you're going on a blind?
Bisa ngo ugiye guhura n'umuntu utazi bahuriye ku mbuga nkoranyambaga. Ni kari ku mubano mwinshi usigaye ugenda.
Relationship.
Mubano ngo bahuriye ku mbuga nkoranyambaga. Umukobwa n'umuhungu bagiye go.
We are just going for a drink.
Umva tukere ko kunywa dunia yote nta nibirenze.
Those sites.
Umva ziriya mbuga nkoranyambaga sanyu.
Full of catfishers.
Ziriya mbuga zibasusuye abantu babeshya mbe ugasanga umuntu yashyize amafoto ngo niwe nibimuranga kandi atari byo ba catfishers.
Of course you can.
Katurori. Njye mbona nanjye arabanyiyitirira ngo nitwa Rocky ntago nkoresha izo mbuga.
That is none of your business.
Umuhungu umunyamahirwe se ninde ntago bikureba ariko.
Oh, come on, Reese.
Cyukira ariko Reese mbwire. Hagiye gora n'agahungu. Sawa.
It was Antoine.
Yitwa Antoine?
Damn.
Hey.
Lover.
Tuze ngo n'umufaransa.
Oh, he's got me beat already.
What makes you say that?
Aragufite aho ngaho kabisa.
Reese.
Urabizi Liz?
As charming as they may seem.
Umuhungu nimba nk'uko umuvuze ari mwiza. Ashaka kuba ari umutubuzi.
You can't trust them all.
Ntabwo wajya wizera abantu gutyo.
Thanks for the advice.
Urakoze kubw'inama ngiriye. Umuntu yiboneye sheri. Abanzi ngo umuhungu wabona ari babatubuzi. Jya witondera abantu. Baretse umuntu akamenya ibye.
Reese, wait.
Reese, Brit.
A good agent always gives good advice.
Agent mwiza tikatanga inama nziza.
Have fun on your date.
Ukiri byishimo.
Be open to just give me a rain check on that drink.
Basi uwo muhungu mugiye muri gusangira wirekura umuganirize nyine winezeze nta mpamvu yo guhora urakaye. Amugiriye inama ni mugenzi we. Gatururi. Ibi filime. Yo. Yatsi imodoka yerekere. Gatururi. Aya basi. Iyi ni episode ya 5 ndetse tugenda tugana ku musozo wa Cypher. Narakubwiye ngo nta kongera gutinda. Ndetse izi filmu usanga ku gasobanuye films.com. Gatururi. Ndetse kuri BTN buri munsi saa 9 kugeza saa 10. Ndetse ukeneye kwamamaza nimero uhamagara ku cyicaro gikuru cy'agasobanuye ibikorwa bye tukabasha kubigeza ku bantu benshi agahira rimwe. hakora ino Katori. Do uyu ari hano ku kagofero mu maso agenda yihishahisha nyine igihugu cyose kizi ko yapfuye yaje yakora ino ikindi kuri liste yabonye ko ari uzakurikira mu gupfa rebe Yeah. Atarori. Aza hano. Urebe filime. Yafashe inzira akimara kubona ko zamwumi yari uzakurikira gupfa. Feri ya mbere haro yayisaza. Kuri liste y'abazapfa ni ukurikira.
It's me.
Nye, afite ukuntu avuga nabi.
The hell is me?
Njyewe se ndindi.
Who it is?
Uzuwo ndiwe.
Can I come in?
Nakinje na avuga nabi. Will.
Man,
Mwana.
you got some major balls coming over here.
Cyakora uriyumva koko kuryo utinyuka kuza kundeba.
I need your help.
Nyene ubufasha bwawe.
Those that helped you in the past either got arrested
Iryo jambo ngo nyene ubufasha bwawe mu myaka ishize ryaragufungishaga cyangwa rikakwicisha.
and that got me arrested.
Ubushize waramfungishije sibyo?
Just let me in.
Waretse nkinjira. Uyu mugabo yose ashinzwe umutekano.
Just like you now.
Ubu ndi guhigwa meze nkawe.
Fugitive.
Naho se mpigwa.
I did time.
Narafunzwe.
Away from my family.
Imyaka 2 ndi kure family yanjye. Umeze neza.
What?
Ikizi.
You don't have a family.
We nta family ugira wakigorye ngo baragufunze utandukana na family yawe.
Yeah, you're right.
Uzikari byo ko nta family ngira.
Kinder.
Cyari cyarabyibagiye kizi ko kigira famille. Hari abantu bagenda bakicara kavuga ati ngiye mfite umugore n'abana ariko barabizi. Ari kiba cyonyine nta mugore. Bikakijya umutwe kikagira ngo uko ngifite famille. Ngiye mfite famille. Ngiye ndubatse. Sinubatse mwese se mureba ku karubanda. Ndacyakira intwererana. Twerere. Akora ino. Yari hano. Yaje mu kabari ngo gura n'umuhungu. Reese. Rwaje kumureba.
Antoine,
Niwe Antoine. Ni umuhungu bahuriye ku mbuga. Nacerewe.
pas de problème.
Pas de problème. Uvuga agafaransa. Uvuga igifaransa se?
That was it.
Oya gishiriyaho. Kirangiranye n'iryo jambo pas de problème birangiriyeho. Barasekana. Bimeze bite? Tuvera twigarukira ko no mu mujyi. Mu gicuku. Sasa baramwinjije.
You're supposed to be dead.
Mane wakagombye kuba warapfuye.
Dad.
N'ubundi narapfuye. Mpagaze ari.
I'm around here anyway.
Oh. I'm not here to bust you. Not this time.
Kuri inshuro ntago nshano kugufungisha.
Never again.
Ahubwo uvuga ngo ntuzongera kumfungisha. Ntinyarigeze kumufungisha.
Cleaning lady canceled on me this week. Last week
Nari
too.
ndi kwakora amasuku nzinga umukobwa azansura ntiyaza cyumweru gishize.
Christmas 3 years ago. You put me on the map.
Imyaka 3 ishize kuri Noheli nibwo wakize ukarubanda.
A hacker wants for Christmas. Like evil Santa
Can you
Claus.
just
Mwana fata dunya yo tuceceke. Aramucecekesha.
risk coming here so
Mwana ishize mukangara tete kuza hano.
listening than talking?
Byaba byiza unyumvisha kurusha kuvuga. Nkeneye ubufasha.
That already.
Wabivuze.
So why don't you explain to me this whole zombie fiasco?
Sobanura rebye ibibazo byawe rero zombi fiasco.
Trying to kill me.
Bari kugerageza kunyica. Inde?
What I'm going to tell you needs to stay a secret.
Ibyo ngiye kukubwira bikuma ari ibanga.
Can I trust you?
Nakwizera?
Yeah, sure, whatever.
Wanyizera nyine.
Whatever.
Wivuga gutyo.
Yes, yes.
Yego wanyizera ninywera tunyeyo.
Tell my friends that I helped a federal agent.
Urumva najya kubwira inshuti zanjye z'abaka ngo nafashije umu agent wahoze wa FBI.
This is big.
Ibi bintu ngiye kukubwira birahambaye cyane.
Big.
Hey, arabwira umurara yaje kwitabaza umurara arabona.
If you help me, when all this is done, I will help you.
Nuramukufasha ibintu byose bikarangira rero ndagufasha kuhasukura. Umve. Anywamo.
What do you say?
Urabivuga iki?
You know, I've hacked the government.
Urabizi leta nayihakinze imyaka myinshi.
Even your illustrious
Ndetse n'iriya FBI yanyu narayihakinze.
and you, the only one smart enough to catch me.
Niwe munyabwenge wenyine ubashije kumfata. rero
Respect you.
ndakubaha mwana kuba waramfashe nari nzi ko ndenze.
All right, what am I looking at?
This list contains 5.
iyi lisiti y'amazina y'abantu batanu
I need you to find out if there's
ndagira ngo umenye
a possible link between them.
nimba ari ikintu gihuza bano bantu.
Facebook,
uhakinge Facebook zabo,
bank accounts.
imbuga nkoranyambaga zabo, akawunti zabo zose ubwo za konti.
James,
Okay. 200.
bakuranyishyura 200 yaramuciye miliyoni 2 sawa. Gitorori
All right.
ni amazina y'abantu bose bamaze gupfa bari muri iriya lisiti.
Your name's on here.
ko nawe hariho izina ryawe se?
Yeah.
yego nyine
I know.
ndabizi nawe hariho izina rye, wibuke yibonye muri iriya lisiti ko
Part about working in Paris is the
ikibi cyo gukorera ipari ni
planning lunch.
igitondo cyose upanga kuza kurya ibya saa sita,
You eat lunch.
ibya saa sita ugashiduka ukubiriye nijoro,
Half-time job.
bivuze ngo ukora hafi igice cy'umunsi.
Like that.
bimeze gutyo
It sounds a whole lot better than my job.
njye ndumva birenze akazi kanjye, ariko
Aren't you an FBI agent? And that's gonna be exciting.
hasi harya ntabwo uri umu agent wa FBI.
If chasing bad guys around
ya buri munsi mba mpiga abantu babi,
you, then
abantu hari igihe mva ari ibintu byiza,
but you know it sounds
nyine iyo umuntu ari
a
kubyumva
lot more exciting.
ariko bishishikaje tu kuba umuntu ari uwa FBI ngahiga abagizi ba nabi, ariko akazi kaba kaguye.
Told me that you worked for the government, and I won't lie, it's a little intimidating.
kuba warambwiye gukorera leta rero byanteye ubwoba,
I kept second guessing my choice of words.
ntangira gutekereza amagambo nzakuganiriza mvuga ni nzatereta umukobwa gute ukora muri leta ne, ariko nta bandira ibiri sirimu mba ngomba kukubwira ibyo nshaka n'ubundi sinigi iwanyu nuko umurara ari gutereta umukobwa we ati naje gutereta mvuga ni wa mukobwa ukorera leta uriyubashye, ngomba nanjye kuza mvuga utugambo niyoberanije nigeze akana keza.
Attractive, irresistible young girl.
tangira kumutera imitoma, sinjya nsobanura utugambo nk'utwo two kureshya abakobwa, mba numva ari ububwa.
Yes, we'll both have another one.
twese twongere duniya yote.
Thank you.
oya njye ntume,
I was here waiting for you.
wibuke ko naje mbere yawe nanyweye duniya yote nyinshi, we wakererewe.
Come on, just one more drink.
rero ngira unywe mariko rimwe wana ninjye uri butware.
Okay, we'll see.
sawa tubaze kureba. okay
Tell me about yourself.
ngaho mbwira ibikwerekeyeho,
Exciting thing that's happened to
mbwira
you.
ikintu gishishikaje kigeze kikuba mu buzima bwawe,
Come on, don't be shy.
bikiri isoni.
Grabbing on.
nahereye kare mvuga
The most exciting thing in a long time.
ikintu kimaze icyambayeho igihe kinini gishize
You know,
gishishikaje
date in a long time.
ni ukuba nongeye kuza gusohokana n'umukobwa nyuma y'igihe kinini, kandi uwo mukobwa akaba ari mwiza. agahungu kari hano gafite utugambo twiza, hari abahungu baba bazi kuvuga.
It's a long time.
harashite igihe kingana iki?
How come a good-looking guy like you
gute umuhungu w'ibogari nkawe
worked in such a long time?
amara igihe kinini adafite sheri?
Time
ni igihe nyine
and trust.
nabuze igihe n'icyizere, nibyo byatumye nguma ndi singo. ubwo yabuze uwo yizera abura n'umwanya wo kubijyamo, nibwo abonye umwanya wo kongera guteretana. nanjye nimbona umwanya wo guteretana nzababwira.
Very sorry for your loss.
ko ntawo mfite.
As you know, it's protocol for family members to identify recent
sasu ibashe kumuganiriza,
accident victims, but
biba bigoye kumenyesha umuntu wo muri famiye wasigaye ko umwene wabo yapfuye.
no, let's move forward.
reka dukomeze imbere mbwira.
Sure.
koko
Yes.
yego
Yes. Doctor, please.
katorori yaje hano, umusaza abashe kumwereka we wapfuye.
Can you confirm this is your wife, Scarlett?
watubwira nimba yari umugore wawe Scarlett Watkins?
That's her.
yego niwe niwe.
Please. A moment.
mwe mumpaye akanya murebe wa mugore wapfuye Scarlett Watkins, uyu ni umugabo we. ubwo bamusize hano abasezera umugore we. uyu mugore we nawe yari ari kuri list y'abapfuye, niwe wari ufite cabinet d'avocat biciyemo hejuru. yeah.
Municipal sweeps, things to keep in mind. There are elements that are going to help us ameliorate, like local law enforcement.
yaje hano
You all review your notes. I'll be back.
mwese mureba ibyo twabandikiye aho ndagaruka kuri FBI buri mu kazi bose sasa bwarakeye uyu nguyu yaraye asohokanye n'umuhungu da
You're late.
wakererewe
The polite thing to say would be hello.
ikintu cya discipline wari kumbwira ni mwaramutse basi cyangwa biti uraza umbwira ngo nakererewe iki
Your date, Reese.
wewe wari wajyanye na shiri wawe byagenze biti
It was nice.
byari sawa pe numve
He was quite the charmer.
rwose yari mwiza nganiriza neza
Into it.
noneho wabigezemo neza numve
Unbelievable.
ntabwo nabyizera
Considering the current circumstances,
nkurikije gahunda turimo ukuntu imeze
nice to be with someone who's actually interested.
byibura nabonye ari byiza kuba nahuye n'umuntu ukunda akazi nkora
That.
nari mbikeneye yahuye n'umuhungu
Get it.
ndabyumva
Robert's
afande Robert
Scarlett's.
ari kuganiriza umugabo wa Scarlett wapfuye mu minota 20 arabaje
Okay.
okay
But a heart attack.
mutima
We all thought that was strange.
twese twumvaga ari ibintu bidasanzwe
She was the healthiest person in our family.
umugore wanjye yari muzima yari ameze neza
Sorry for your loss.
kwicwa n'umutima umusaza biramucanze wihangane kubw'igihombo wageze
She didn't mention or do anything strange or out of the ordinary last week.
ese mu cyumweru gishize mbere y'uko apfa nta kintu kidasanzwe yaba yarigeze akora
She didn't mention any financial decisions.
ese nta myanzuro yerekeranye n'amafaranga yigeze akubwira
Significant sum deposited in
Birasa
the
nkaho
account just last week.
hari amafaranga yashyize kuri konti y'icyumweru gishize oya nta kintu yambwiye
It appears she had a significant sum
nanone hari andi mafaranga
deposited into her checking account.
yinjiye kuri konti ye adasanzwe mu cyumweru gishize ibyo ntacyo mbiziho
But you do know why she transferred $10,000 to you the day before she died?
umunsi mbere y'uko apfa se waba uzi impamvu yakoherereje ibihumbi 10 by'idolari kuri konti yawe
She lent me the money so
yarangurije amafaranga
back into my kids' lives
kugira ngo nsubire mu buzima bw'abana banjye
behind on their support.
kuko nari maze igihe natanga amafaranga y'indezo anguriza ibihumbi 10
And now she's gone.
none yapfuye Young. Uyu ari hano yaje kwifashisha umuhaka amenye bari abantu bose bamaze gupfa nawe bahuriye kuki bahuriye he
Found something?
hari icyo ubonye
No.
oya
Aside from the fact that you're the only man living from amongst those 5 names.
usibye kuba ari wowe ukiri muzima muri ariya mazina atanu yose wampaye
I'm here.
impamvu rero ndi hano urayizi
You know what the dark web is?
icyo bita dark web urakizi yego
Okay. So people send money and guns,
abantu buriza amafaranga n'imbunda
secret shit.
n'ibindi bintu by'ibanga
No one knows who sent it or where.
ku buryo nta muntu umenya ngo ninde wabyohereje cyangwa byaturutse
None of your dead bodies are anywhere to be found.
bara bose bapfuye nta na hamwe umuntu yababona yagerageje kubashakira hirya no hino yababuze
See.
urebe gira gutya
All right, there she goes.
babonye
This mean anything to you?
ibi hari icyo bisobanuye kuri wowe
Warp.
wap ijambo wap oya
It should. Check.
rifite kuba ryakagize icyo rikubwira reba konti yawe ubwira ngo narebe kuri konti ye afata telefone arebe muri konti ye rebe filime fungura hano
Tell.
icyo nakubwira
Each of these 5 names received a bank transfer of 50 grand in the week leading up to their death.
bano bantu bose bapfuye mu cyumweru mbere y'uko bapfa bari bakira ibihumbi 50 bivuye kuri kampani yitwa wap
The same account, but I can't trace anything back.
kandi konti yoherezwa amafaranga ni imwe rebe uyu nawe ibihumbi 50 byamugezeho by'idolari
Things here. Either Warp,
iyo kampani yitwa wap
advanced security system,
ishobora kuba ifite sisiteme ikomeye cyane muri amerika irenze
it never existed in.
cyangwa se ikaba itanabaho kimwe muri ibyo kuko kuyihakinga byagoranye ntibari kuyibona fata duniya yo tunywe
Looks like you received a transfer about 4 months ago from the same company.
bisa nk'aho amezi anashize nawe wakiriye amafaranga angana kuriya nk'ay'abandi bose bapfuye boherejwe $50,000 barabwiruye.
Yeah,
Yego,
I remember.
ndabyibuka.
Oh, you find the guy that initiated the transfer?
Uwakoresha amafaranga se
Culprit.
numumenya rero uramenya n'ubiri inyuma.
You should go kick his ass.
Ugenda umukubiti.
Doesn't matter anymore.
Ubu ntacyo bikivuze kumumenya.
Who was he?
Yari indese yarapfuye.
My best friend.
Yari inshuti yanjye magaro mwohereje amafaranga.
None of my friends ever wired me $50,000.
Nta nshuti yanjye iranyohereza $50,000.
It's true friendship.
Bivuze ngo bwari ubushuti bwa nyabwo pe. Umwohereje amafaranga ngo yari inshuti ye magara. Gusa yarapfuye ni kati yapfiriye mu mpanuka y'imodoka. Tuvira tugore kuri wa musaza twabonye. Uyu musaza ngo ni watanze amakuru y'ahantu basanze cya kibe kirashe ari naho basanze iriya liste dutangira filime.
I need you to deliver this envelope discreetly.
Iyi envelope ndagira ngo ugire ahantu yinjyanira mu ibanga rikomeye cyane. Mu kantu yakongeyeho.
Here's the address.
Adresse ngizi. Ukora uko ushoboye ntihagire umuntu n'umwe ukubona. Katururi.
I'll let you know when it's done.
Ndaza kukumenyesha nimba irangiza. Katururi.
After I left the FBI, my friend Kurt
Nyuma yo kumvuye muri FBI inshuti yanjye Kat
called me in for a freelance job.
yahamagaye gukora akazi ariko nk'umunyakiraka muri kampani ntazi.
Completion. They did a $50,000 wire transfer.
Ndangije akazi banyohereje $50,000.
Regarding payments,
Byerekeranye no kwishyurwa.
you seem to be making quite a fortune.
Bisa nkaho amafaranga yo yafite.
To renegotiate
Rero ugiye kongera
$100 I took
kuri
pay.
$200 200 twari twumvikanye unyongeze.
Negotiate upon completion of the job.
Ibyo turabiganiraho nurangiza akazi.
What more do you need?
Exactly.
Iki kindi se.
Did to Kurt's account. Facebook, Twitter account.
Kat ndagira ngo nawe umuhakinga urebe ibya imbuga ze nkoranyambaga byose.
Stable.
Katururi. Zano,
What's that?
ibyo ni biki?
Gotta go.
Njye mfite kugenda.
In touch.
Turaza gusubira. Yinjirire.
We still don't have any answers on why she died, who wanted her dead. Of course, we've interviewed each one of the victims' families, Jimmy Anderson, John.
Twakoze iperereza kuri bari abantu bose bamwe bapfuye avuga amazina yabo.
Now, each one of our victims thought they died of a simple heart attack.
Bose famiye zabo ntabwo bumvaga ko abantu babo bakwicwa n'umutima.
They did not die of natural causes.
Niyo mpamvu twabwiye ko batishwe n'urupfu rusanzwe.
Series of planned murder.
Ahubwo bapfuye ari urupfu rumaze rwarapanzwe.
Based on our intel, and in return we get nothing. Great.
Kanya rundi waje.
Not at all. Ronnie, come on in. Everybody, please welcome Ronnie.
Hi, everyone.
Ronnie's done a lot of work overseas, and he's our new crypto analyst.
Ugiye kuzano n'undi muntu ugiye kujya udufasha gukuramo kode kuko bamaze kubona urwandiko. Ugiye kubafata yitwa Roni. Ugiye kufasha gukuramo kode cya gipapuro nawe akora mbeze akazi nka ka Will Scott.
This is the most complex and intricately designed code I've ever
Iyi niyo kode ikomeye cyane muri kode zose nigeze mbona.
to be able to work with your team to
Ndetse nishimiye kuba ngiye gukora n'ikipe yanyu.
quite excited.
Birashishikaje pe.
Robert told you this was a hit list, right?
Robert yakubwiye ko iyi ari list ngira ngo y'umuntu nyine y'abantu bazicwa.
Hit list, which is why time is of the
Ni
essence.
list y'abantu bazicwa niyo mpamvu nkeka ko iki ari ikintu tugomba kwikutisha tugakoresha neza.
I'll continue.
Rero ndakomeza.
I can already tell that the document here contains a few various types of codes. For example,
Urabona nk'izi code ziri hano?
appears to be a Caesar shift for certain symbols.
Urabona ibi ni ibimenyetso bya Caesar.
For others.
Hari ibimenyetso bigiye bitandukanye bifite n'amazina agiye atandukanye. Iyi ni inzobere mu byo gukuramo code nayije kugira ngo irebe ko yavumbura amazina n'amatariki bari abantu bazicirwa.
Did say time was of the
Naho
essence.
ubwawe watwibwiriye ko iki ari ikintu cy'ingenzi cyane. Urumva nimba ari list y'abantu bazicwa ugomba kuvumbura amatariki bazicirwa mbere yuko bicwa.
Most code breakers are trained in one or two specialities.
You're saying you can't do it.
Urashaka kuvuga ko utabishobora se?
I'm saying it'll take longer
Ndavuga ko bishobora gutwara igihe
to be mistakes.
kugira ngo twirinde ikosa.
Take risk someone's life.
Ikosa uri buze gukorera aza gutuma hari ubuzima bw'umuntu bubigenderamo.
And tell me something useful.
Utubwire ibintu bifite akamaro.
Partner is trying to say,
Icyo umwunganizi wanjye ashaka kuvuga ni
what progress have you made thus far?
ese umaze kugera ku cyo utangiriye akazi Roni?
I think I'm making progress on
Aho ngeze ni
the first few letters on the next line.
hari amaretere n'imirongo ya mbere imaze kugenda nkuramo code.
Do you have any names?
Urakeka hari amazina ufite?
Not yet.
Ntago amazina ndayabona.
Better get on it.
Genda uyabone. Genda uyabone ahita anasohoka. uriho rumva ibintu byakorwa byihuse cyane hatagira undi muntu bipfiramo. Riz. Ronnie.
Please, sit down.
Icara.
Everybody's a little tense over this case.
Abantu bose kino kiri gucyabatesheje umutwe, iyo bumva rero kiri kugenda ngo impamvu ubona barakara nkuya akahita yivumbura akagenda. Yaje kumureba.
What the hell was that?
Bira byari ibiki arivumbuye. Ura mukingasanye imikino.
Besides, you can't jump down his throat before he's had a chance to look at them.
Nta nubwo arareba kuri list ariko utangiye kumera nk'umufashe mu ishinga.
Will Scott's all we got. He cracked the first few lines in what? 2 days?
Will Scott uribuka ko mu minsi ibiri yaramaze kumenya amazina y'abantu benshi. Niwe muhanga.
Scott is on the run. And even if we do catch him,
Will Scott nawe rano kari tumufashe.
Voluntarily help us decipher the list.
Ntago twizeye ko yanadufasha gukemura kino kibazo ngakuremo code muri rwa rwandiko. Gatururi. Itacho. Tuvuye yaratwigarukira hano ku ishuri aho umwana ari. Aba FBI bakomeje kumurinda no kumuba hafi cyane ko bamenye ko papa w'umwana akiri muzima. Wenda bishobora gutuma bafata papa w'umwana. Umwana bari ku ishuri nawe bamuriho. Yeah. Ajano gusuhuza muzehe. Ariko kumbuye nanjye mwana we afite ukuntu yibeta akaza agasuhuza papa we mu ibanga rikomeye cyane.
What's the matter?
Kibazo ki? Ntugire ikibazo.
Daddy, the police are looking.
Papa, polisi ziri kuguhiga. Yeah.
Did you do something bad?
Ese hari ikintu kibi wakoze?
Not really.
Yeah.
Questions?
Many.
Hari ibibazo bakubajije byinshi.
Okay, what'd you tell him?
Wababwiye iki?
Nothing.
Ntacyo.
I promise.
Nkuko nari nagusezeranije.
You'll remember?
Si twumvikanye siko ntacyo ngomba kuvuga papa ubundi umwana umubwiye ati ntuvuge ibintu ntaba agomba kubivuga.
She knows you're alive.
Mama kandi niwe yamaze kumenya ko uri muzima. FBI yarabimubwiye.
We're to have done this under better conditions, but
Nakifuje ko nabikoze neza ariko isabukuru nziza mwana wanjye amuzaniye agapupe. Yeah.
okay. Just better get back.
Mwana wanjye rusubirayo.
Please notice you're missing, but you put him in here.
Mbere yuko hagira umuntu nakubona sibyo? Mwana nasubiriyo.
Get you there.
Do. Nakana ke. Uko byamera kose nubwo ari guhigwa nubwo ibibazo bikomeye ari no kuri list y'abazapfa agomba gushakanya akabona n'umusaza n'umwana we.
I take it you're a morning person.
Tuvera tugaruka kuri no kuri uyu.
Yeah.
Yego.
Me too. Have a good day.
Yego rwose ugira umunsi mwiza. Wa mukobwa arizi no FBI.
All right. I'll see you soon.
Sawa tuze gusubira rwose ntaribi ari hakunino. Kuri bana umunsi w'umuryango wi abona hari icyamvelope banyujijemo. Urebe filime. Hey! Ni Riz. Ebe. Ukingura nebe n'indonyushema envelope munsi y'umuryango. Ni Riz ntawabona. Katorori. Asubira mindani. Urebe filime. Yo. Fungura gutya envelope. Abona afande we Robert ni ya foto, ni foto yafotowe ari kumwe n'umusaza hejuru y'inzu. Wa musaza watanze amakuru. Ari nawe watanze amakuru y'aho ibintu byatangiriye byose. Y'abantu bagombaga kugenda ndetse ari naho basanze rwa rwandiko rurimo code. Yabonye ifoto y'umusaza uri kumwe na fande wabo bita Robert. Uriya musaza none tukaba twamubonye atanga ina envelope y'umuntu ati njyanira iyi envelope kandi hagira umuntu ukubona. Tugaruke kuri uyu. Uyu ni wa muhaka. Ubona bimeze nk'ibisazi ariko baraba hatari. Na dunia yote iruhande akomeza guhakinga yige kuri bari abantu. Babwenga hakinge cyane cyane umuntu bita kati. Ni wa undi wapfire impanuka y'imodoka. Uye kure telefone. Rebe. Ni Celeste. Telefone kuri yari kumwe na Kerere niwe basigaye babana.
Hello?
Hello?
Well,
Will,
Your friend Kurt?
inshuti yawe Kurt.
I have evidence he was working for the company.
Mbonye ibimenyetso ko nayo yakoreraga ya company.
Now, Warp's not a company name.
WAP ntabwo ari company.
It's the word they use for money transfer.
WAP ahubwo ni kode bakoreshaga bashaka kohereza amafaranga. Nyagasani, WAP ntabwo ari company.
Using it to crack Kurt's account.
Nagerageje kwinjira muri konti ya Kurt.
Worked like a pack mule.
Nabonye ari benshi cyane kandi konti iriho n'amafaranga menshi cyane. Ndaje nguhamagare ngo ni benshi bakorana nawe ngo kandi konti iriho amafaranga menshi. Ni wa mugenzi wapfuye. Ugeri hano. Hari inshuti yaza kumwihinduka yitwaga Kurt wa agent wa FBI. Sasa yaza hano. Usura ubwenge ijambo WAP ntago ari company ni password. Yahise atsimbura ya telefone yahishe munsi y'intebe. Uyu mukobwa bana ntayazi ni telefone ya Kurt. Yandikamo rya jambo WAP ngo ni nka password bakoresha buriza amafaranga. Telefone y'umugizi wa nabi wari umugambanyi tuningira funguka. Yawusare ni inshuti ye. Uri bifilime ahita ajya muri nimero zamuhamagaye kureba yahamagaye na nimero imwe ya nimero banavuganye bwa nyuma ahita yihamagara yumva uwo muntu wakoranaga na Kurt ninde wamugambaniye. Telefone yahamagaye dore ngo inasonera mu nzu arimo. Nyagasani, hey, bifuza ngo uyu mukobwa rero umugambanyi yakoranaga na Kurt baraziranye. Yamagaye nimero yavuganye bwa nyuma na Kurt asanga ni y'umukobwa. Nyagasani, umukobwa babanaga mu nzu yarazi ngo ni uri kumufasha ngo na papa yabipfiriyemo nimero yaciyemo ni y'umukobwa. Hey, uyikangamo nta muntu wo kwizera. Na nimero yari yarayisevinze ko ari Kurt. Dore ukuntu barebana. Do bose batangira kureba imbunda. Ngo ni ukuyitangurana. Do urebe. Hey, bose